Hello friends and students. Once again welcome to my channel Maths Tips for You. Now we are studying indefinite integration in this playlist. Now in the this video we are going to see some typical examples of the indefinite integration. This is a video part 4. Here in video part 4 we have started integration by method of substitution. Now I have listed some example. Observe the example. Example number 1, example number 2, out of 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now here in example number 1, it is given integration cos 3x minus cos 4x upon sin 3x plus sin 4x dx. And in example type 2, number 1, here integration is sin x plus 2 cos x upon 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. You observe the difference between these two examples. In the first example, in the numerator there is only cos and in the denominator is sin. But in the example number type 2, it is the combination of sin cos in denominator and in the numerator. First I will solve this example and then we move to the next example. So number 1, integration cos of 3x minus cos 4x upon sin of 3x plus sin of 4x dx. We know that cos c minus cos d, cos c minus cos d, its formula is minus 2 times sin of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. And sin plus sin, that is sin c plus sin d, is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So using this formula, the given integration become integration of, here c is 3x and d is 4x. So minus 2 sin 3x plus 4x upon 2 into sin of 3x minus 4x upon 2 divided by denominator contains sin 3x plus sin 4x. So using sin c plus sin d. So it is 2 sin 3x plus 4x upon 2 into cos 3x minus 4x upon 2 dx is equal to integration. 2 get cancelled. Here it is minus 3x plus 4x, 7x, sin of 7x by 2 into here sin of minus x by 2 upon here also sin of 7x by 2 into cos of minus x by 2 dx. Here sin 7x by 2, sin 7x by 2 is divided to both, so get cancelled, is equal to sin upon cos become tan, so minus tan of minus x by 2 dx. Tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. By using this, it is equal to minus minus become plus. So tan of x by 2 dx is equal to integration of tan x is equal to sec square x by 2 divided by coefficient of x 1 half plus c. So this answer is 2 times sec square x by 2 plus c. So this is the example. We have solved the first example. Now the second part, second type is integration sin x plus 2 cos x upon 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. Now 2 e raised to x minus 25 upon 2 e raised to x minus 5. Third is same as the 2. Fourth is also same as 2. And fifth is integration of dx upon 2 plus 3 cos 3 tan x dx. It is same as the first one. The form for this is integration a sin x plus b cos x upon c sin x plus d cos x dx, or integration a into e raised to x plus b upon c e raised to x plus d dx. Express the numerator in terms of a constant a into denominator plus another constant b into derivative of the denominator. Now I will solve the number fifth, example number fifth. Integration of dx upon 2 plus 3 tan x. So let I is equal to integration dx upon 2 plus 3 tan x is equal to integration of dx upon 2 plus 3 tan means sin x upon cos x. Here dx is there. So here LCM is cos x. So we multiply cos x. It is equal to integration dx upon 2 cos x plus 3 sin x upon cos x. So this is equal to, cos x is denominator of the denominator, so it is become numerator. Cos x dx upon 2 cos x plus 3 sin x. So this is of the type integration a sin x plus b cos x plus c sin x plus d cos x. So we express the numerator in terms of the denominator. So numerator is cos x is equal to, we take a is a constant, 2 into cos x plus 3 sin x is the denominator, plus b into derivative of the denominator, 2 cos x plus 3 sin x. Therefore 2 a into 2 cos x plus 3 sin x plus b into derivative of cos x is minus 2 sin x. Derivative of sin x is 3 cos x. So this is equal to 2 into a into cos x plus 3 into a into sin x minus 2 into b into sin x plus 3 into b into cos x is equal to, now collect the terms of cos x, 2a plus 3b into cos x, and sin x plus 3a minus 2b into sin x. So this is equal to cos x. Now comparing the coefficient of sin and cos, both numerator, both left hand side and right hand side. Here the coefficient of sin x in LHS is 0. So therefore 3a minus 2b, it is equal to 0, and coefficient of cos x 2a plus 3b is equal to 1. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Now in order to get the values of a and b, we multiply the equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2 and adding. Therefore taking 3 into equation number 1 plus 2 into equation number 2, we get 9a minus 6b is equal to 0, 4a plus 6b is equal to 2. Adding, it is 13a plus 0, it is equal to 2, and therefore a is equal to 2 upon 13. So this is the value of the a. Now putting the value of a in any one of the equation, so therefore from equation 1, 3 into 2 upon 13 minus 2b is equal to 0. Therefore minus 2b is equal to 3 into 2, 6, minus 6 upon 13. So therefore b is equal to, dividing by minus 2, it is 3 upon 13. So value of b is 3 upon 13. Therefore, now cos x is expressed as a value is 2 upon 13, and b, its derivative is b is 3 upon 13. Therefore I is become integration of a 2 upon 13 into the denominator, it is 2 cos x plus 3 sin x, and b is 3 upon 13 into derivative, that is minus 2 sin x plus 3 cos x upon 2 cos x plus 3 sin x dx. Therefore I is equal to integration of, now we divide this to each term. Here 2 upon 13, here 2 cos plus 3 sin x upon 2 cos plus 3 sin x, it is become 1 dx, plus 3 upon 13 integration of, it is the derivative of the denominator, 2 cos x plus 3 sin x upon 2 cos x plus 3 sin x dx. Integration of 1, it is x, so 2 upon 13 into x, plus this is of the type integration of f dash of x upon f of x dx, it is nothing but log of x and log of f of x, and therefore it is 3 upon 13 log of 2 cos x plus 3 sin x plus some constant. So this is the answer. In this way we find the integration of the form a sin x plus b cos x upon c sin x plus d cos x, or a into e raised to x plus b upon c into e raised to x plus d dx, by using numerator, by expressing numerator into the derivative into the denominator by taking constant a into derivative plus b into derivative of the denominator,